Hi everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today we will be making two salads, both watermelon salads. One is a Rubik cube salad, the other is watermelon and cucumber salad with feta and almonds. The first salad is a Rubik's cube salad. It's a really fun salad to make, so let's get this together and have some fun. Let's start by getting together the cucumbers, Havarti cheese, and watermelon. Now we need to cut these all in about the same size, so we'll square them off and then cut them into squares that are equal sizes. So you can make these as big as you like or as small as you like. The idea is that they all need to be the same size pretty much. So this is quite simple to make. As you can see here, you just get them all the same size, then you start assembling it. Once you have it put together like this, you can decorate it. Add a little bit of goat's cheese over top if you like that, a sprig of any kind of parsley or any herb that you have on hand that's nice and fresh like this. I like to serve it with my own lemonade dressing. So quickly, to make your own lemonade, all you need is 6 lemons or 1 cup of juice, freshly squeezed, 1 cup of sugar, and 6 cups of cold water. And then you just sweeten it more or adjust the water to taste. So whether you make your own lemonade or whether you pick it up at the store, either way, you start with lemonade, put some into a pot. I add 1 little slice of lemon just to kind of give it a little flavor. Let it sit there only for a couple of minutes and pull it back out. Then I use a little bit of the lemonade with some cornstarch in a separate little cup and use it to thicken it once it has heated up. Now that's as simple as it is. You just let it cool off so it's nice and cold when you want to serve it. And then as you're serving it, you just pour it over the top and let it seep in between the cracks of the little cubes, and you've got your salad. This is a very refreshing little salad and very fun to make, and I'm sure your guests will love it. Now on to the watermelon and cucumber salad with feta and almonds. Begin by taking chunks of watermelon and placing them on a plate in 2 rows. Then you take slices of the cucumber and place them 1 row down the middle. Then you crumble some goat cheese over the top like this. And you take and saute some sliced almonds in some butter in a pan until they're just slightly browned and golden. You sprinkle the almonds over the top. This creates an array of unique flavors that really blend well together. Now for this salad, I make my own lemon vinaigrette, so I'll show you how to do that as well. You'll need freshly squeezed lemon juice. So to get started, you'll start by putting half a cup of virgin olive oil into a small bowl. Add 1/4 of a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 2 garlic cloves that are chopped fine or minced. And 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Just 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Mix this all together really well. And last but not least, I add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Now you can place the rest of this in a jar, and then it stores in the fridge for up to about a week. And it's easy to mix it together because all you have to do is just shake it up. Both of these salads are very easy to make, yet they both have an extremely fancy and delicate presentation. So go ahead and make these recipes and enjoy them.